Did you ever see how some subjects seem to be avoided almost as if they were taboo? The sexual health of men in old age is one of these topics people whisper avoid looking into the eyes as if talking about it was something shameful, but I'll tell you a secret, my dear. This shame only gets in the way. I, Lealia, at the age of 78, learned that the silence around sexuality only harms those who deprive themselves of seeking help and knowledge. For a long time, it was believed that sexual desire decreases with age, almost as if it were a sign that your vitality was depleted. But let me tell you something that few dare to say. Desire does not disappear, it only changes. The secret is to understand these changes and how they may be embraced in a healthy and enjoyable manner. Remember when young and everything seemed so easy, the body responded immediately without much effort? Well, things may be a little different now, but that does not mean the flame has gone out. In fact, the fire is still there waiting to be reignited. I have seen many men get disheartened thinking that their pleasure days were over, but that's far from the truth. The truth which no one wants to tell you is that sexual health in old age can be even more rewarding than before. Yes, I said that as we get older we learn to value intimacy. The actual connection with the other, the touch, the look, the tenderness. All this takes on a deeper. Rediscover these moments consciously, but why doesn't anyone talk about it? Why is it is so hard to come by information that is clear and to the point regarding sexual health during old age. The fear of appearing weak or admitting that something has changed leads many men to close in on themselves, but I am here to tell you that there is no harm in wanting to continue living a full life in all its dimensions. Let us break this silence together, because your sexual health is a very important part of who you are. Stick with me on this path of self-discovery and transformation. You will discover that sexuality in old age is not only feasible but also potent. Let us discuss everything bluntly, because you deserve the truth. For example, did you know that maintaining sexual health can be one of the secrets to living longer? I never did either as a young man. He thought pleasure was simply an instinct and something temporal, but over the years I have come to learn the real impact of intimacy on one's physical and emotional health. Leading a sexually active life can literally add years to your life, and I do not mean just numbers but quality time. A lot of research has indicated that having sex on a regular basis helps improve blood circulation. This way it also assists in making sure your heart is strong, plus lowering stress levels, which in turn are governed by hormones released when one is happy. But what does this mean practically speaking, particularly among men approaching old age? It means remaining sexually active isn't subject only to mere desire, but rather biology calling for it as necessary. As we grow older, our bodies undergo different changes. Since metabolism decreases, so does elasticity, among other factors like reduced rate at which blood flows through vessels being examples set before us all by nature herself. And the immune system weakens. However, even if adapted to the limitations of age, the sexual act can counterbalance these effects and bring surprising benefits. Increased blood flow during arousal helps prevent cardiovascular problems, while the release of endorphins combats, now you may be thinking, symptoms of depression and anxiety. But Eulalia, I don't have same disposition as before, and I understand perfectly body changes, and what was easy when young might need a tad more effort upon aging, but this change serves as an opportunity to refine delight in different manners. Here is a hush-hush desire that can be developed. It is about more than performance, it is about connection, typically. Light touch, extended tenderness and private conversation can please as much as the sexual act, with the added bonus of the emotional and psychological impact. It is not just physical pleasure that one derives from an active sex life. At an older age, a man can be so easily consumed by this emotion, more so than he would be in his youth. Loneliness creeps in on you. With no one to share such moments with, it can really take over your mood and bring depression and tension into what should be a complete life. The fact is, in very many ways, a healthy sexual life is the secret to long life. It keeps the body fresh, the mind clean and the heart happy. By taking care of your sexual health, you are actually taking care of your entire being. The trick here is to adjust to change but never break. On living fully right now, I want you to consider your sex life not as something belonging to the past, but as an integral part of your present and future. Tiny changes can create large impact, and the quest for healthy and pleasurable intimacy must be ongoing no matter what age you are. After all, to live with pleasure is to live more. When it comes to sex in later years, the myths abound. I've heard plenty over my 78 years, and let me tell you, most of it is hogwash. One of the largest myths out there is that older men have zero interest in sex anymore. That's just not true. Desire does not vanish with aging. It just changes, and change can be, should it happen to come about, the start of a fresh period of self-discovery provided you are open to it. So I will share something that is crucial. For many older men, the biggest obstacle is not the absence of desire but lack of information and entertaining myths, such as sex drive wanes with growing age, that can undermine your confidence or make you feel emasculated, but rather, desire, if anything, presented in a different form. The key to maintaining a healthy and fulfilling sexual life in old age is adjusting to these changes and not letting yourself be overwhelmed with false beliefs. Another common myth is that problems such as erectile dysfunction mean the end of a sexual life, but that does not have to be true. Impotence can be caused by many factors, from health problems like diabetes and high blood pressure. Regarding emotional issues like stress and anxiety, important to realize there are ways to work through these challenges with the right treatment and open communication with your partner. You can keep having intimate moments, and the myth that sexuality is inconsequential as we age. This perhaps is the most damaging of all. Sexuality is a vital part of who we are. Old or young, to refuse this aspect of your life is keeping yourself from an important part of who you are. Society has a way of making older men feel bad about themselves for still having sexual desires and needs, as if it were inappropriate. But let me tell you something. There's nothing wrong with wanting to continue to feel pleasure and live your sexuality fully. What many men don't know is that sexuality in old age can be even richer and more rewarding than when they were young. This is because over the years, intimacy is no longer just physical and becomes more emotional. Deeper sex can become an experience of true connection where affection, understanding, and affection take on a much more important role than just the act itself. It's time to break these myths and start seeing sexuality in a new way. Of accepting that the body has changed is that the way of feeling pleasure can be different. The first step to enjoying this new phase of life. It's not about trying to go back to what you were in your 20s or 30s, but about discovering what your body and mind can offer now with all the wisdom and experience you've accumulated over the years. I want you to reflect on the myths that you might have held for a long time, or some of the things stopping you from enjoying your sex life to the fullest. Let's demystify these misconceptions together and rediscover pleasure of an active sex life without guilt or shame. After all, desire is part of life at all ages. Whether your diet can directly impact your sexual health ever crossed your mind? The food does not only affect weight and overall health but an energy, performance, plus sex drive. Particularly as one grows older, smart food choices can significantly enhance these aspects. As my mother used to say, take good care of what you put into your body and it will take good care of you. This is critical for elderly gentlemen dealing with physicality and hormones. What you eat impacts blood flow plus hormone like testosterone production, such as a core component of sexual vitality. In addition to good sexual health, is circulation, which needs to be up. Numbers probably should conjure examples of what quality diet impedes circulation system blood, while fruit and antioxidants and vegetables are a great source of fiber to keep you healthy and effective. Moreover, the production also decreases with aging, hence the desired testosterones and energy will be kept alive by those that are rich in zinc. Nuts and seeds. Seafood is among the foods high in magnesium, zinc, and vitamins. Help balance hormone levels. Lean proteins and healthy fats such as those fish and avocado are good, too. We also have aphrodisiacs such as dark chocolate and oysters. Mood and arousal stimulation. Chocolate has phenylamine stimulating pleasure feeling, and zinc is essential for testosterone. Oysters are rich in it. Wrong nutrition can be harmful, increasing cholesterol, overweight, and tiredness, which lead to the mood and directly act on sexual health. Proper diet enhances general health and sex life. Apart from that, what's important is hydration. As key lack of hydration results in circulation energy, and the ability to enjoy staying well hydrated is essential for the proper functioning of the body inside and outside the bedroom. So, after all that we've talked about in these chapters, one thing is clear: sexual health in old age isn't just possible, can be revitalizing, transformative, and deeply satisfying by breaking myths, understanding the vital role of food, and seeing desire in a renewed way. You're well on your way to rediscovering pleasure and vitality regardless of age. But this journey of self-discovery and transformation does not end here. Remember, every step you take towards your sexual health is an investment in your quality of life. And what you've learned so far is just the beginning of a series of discoveries that can make all the difference in your well-being. We want to help you continue to explore these paths and unlock the secrets that can improve your life in ways you may never have imagined. So now it's your turn. If you like the content so far, be sure to subscribe to the channel to receive more valuable tips. Enjoy this video so we can reach even more people who need this information, and please share it with friends and family. After all, everyone deserves to live better and with more pleasure. We want to hear from you too. Leave your comment below and tell us your experience. Tells us what you think of the guidance, and do let us know where you talk of. Your opinion is very important to us. Before I close, I do have one last surprise for you, a link. The next video will come up here on the screen. Click it to unveil that the next step in this journey is a special video which will assist you in continuing to explore this universe of possibilities. Don't stop, because what you are going to learn could be just what you need to give your sex life new direction. Let's go together on this journey towards a fuller and happier life. Don't miss the next video. Click now and continue this journey with us.